Hi, today we are going to discuss about access control. Na leo tunaongelea watu wenye pale kwa biashara zao wameweka kale kakad kwa mlango ka staff only. Ama if you're a business person and your staffs when they come in, they have to write in a book. E.g. Mercy came in at 7:30, Paul at 7:22. Hii wakati imesonga, it's time to elevate your team by access control. Access control is a smart security system that decides who enters, where they go, and when they are allowed in. We have examples such as cards or PIN codes, fingerprints or face recognition, turnstiles for busy entrances, and number plates recognition for vehicles. What access control does, it removes keys, improves your security, and gives you full control of your space. So we are going to have a series to discuss different access control systems we have in store, and for you not to miss out, I want you to follow me, like, and share.